Hello, my name is Nitish Pandey, and I'm excited to share the finding for my virtual internship with Tata through the Forge program. I have dedicated myself to the task of data cleaning and visualization with the ultimate goal of identifying the most lucrative opportunities for business expansion. Today, I will be presenting my analysis to the CEO and CMO, focusing on how I approach the data, the methodologies I employed for cleaning and visualization the information, and the insight derived from this process. My presentation will cover the detailed analysis of four key questions posed in the previous task, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the data and the conclusive drawn. Understanding that expansion is a top priority, my analysis aimed to pinpoint the areas within our business that holds the greatest potential for growth. I have utilized various resources and best practice for communication data effectively, and I am prepared to discuss my thought process and the strategic recommendation based on my findings. So let us start with our task 4. Before moving towards our Power BI, we need to put two things in our mind. That is, in data cleaning, we need to create a check that the quantity should not be below 1 unit. Secondly, we need to create a check that the unit price should not be below $0. Also, you can also use data transformation method to get rid of bad data that we will see in our Power BI. So let us quickly move towards Power BI. Okay, so this is our Excel file. I will put the link into the description to download it. Okay, so what we can do. So first of all, two things. Number one, the quantity should not be below 1. So we can just click from here, uh, number filter, greater than or equal to 1, right? Secondly, unit price. Unit price should not be less than 0, right? So we'll click here, number filter, greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now let us see. We will change the data type to whole number. Secondly, we will now, we don't need this character, last character. So what we can do is just go to the transform, go to the split columns by non-digit to digits, and you can just remove this column. uh, Put this to whole number. We can see that there are less than 1% error, so you can click here, remove, or just click here, remove errors. Yeah, so this is also good. Just rename this. We don't want point 1. Yeah, so description looks good to me. 1%, less than 1% empty is there, so click here, remove empty. So this is also good. Now quantity is good. Invoice, see, okay, so unit price is also good. We'll make sure that it should round up to 2 decimal. Okay, right. Customer ID is good, country is good. Okay, but we need to we will be using date column here. So see, automatically if data hierarchy is enabled in your Power BI, so data hierarchy means the year, quarter, month, name, this all things will be automatically present there. But in my Power BI I have not enabled it, so I need to create it manually. Okay, so go to the add column, click on the and I want year from this. Also click on this, I want month name. Also I need month number. Okay, everything looks good now. Now let me, I don't need time with it, so I just want the date only. Okay, That's good. So now we are done with it, transforming data. Now you can just close and apply. So let us start with the first question. The CEO of the retail store is interested to view the time series of the revenue data for the year 2011. I would like to view granular data by looking into the revenue of each month. So let's go to Power BI. I have used a line chart for this, as you can see. In the x-axis, I have put the month name. In the y-axis, I have put the revenue. One thing to keep in mind that in particular this we need to only show the data for 2011, as our data also had 2010 values. So what I did was, in the filter section you can go and go to the by default it will be on basic filtering. Go to the advanced filtering, and in the advanced filtering just click on is on or after, like so. By clicking on is on and after, just write 0101 2011 and just apply filter after that. So this will work, and this will give you the desired result. Like, you, as in this visual we wanted to show the data for 2011 only. So there is a so from this visual you can see that the highest revenue is generated between third to fourth of quarter. Let's move to the second question. The CMO is interested in viewing the top 10 countries with which are generating the highest revenue. Also, one thing to put in mind that the CMO does not want to have the United Kingdom in the visuals. Okay, so what I have used here is, I have used here a clustered column chart. In the x-axis, I have put the country's name. In the y-axis, I have put sum of revenue and sum of quantity. And in the filtering part, as we want the top 10 countries, so I have put here top 10 filter and by value. So I have taken revenue from here and I just dragged it here and I have applied the filter. One more time you can take the country, as we do not need United Kingdom, so we went to advanced filter, does not contain United Kingdom. By basic filtering also you can do that. By basic filtering you will have the name of the countries, so you can just uncheck the United Kingdom. So from this you can see that Netherlands is doing highest revenue and selling the highest quantity, followed by EIRE, Germany, France, Australia, Spain. So these are top 10 countries. Now let's move towards the third question. The CMO of the online retail store wants to view the information of top 10 customers by revenue. Okay, uh, let's see. In this visual we have used the column chart, and one thing to keep in mind is that as the customer ID is a will be in a, by default it will be in a continuous type, so you need to do that into a categorical type. Then otherwise it will show the value like 14k, 18k, which are not our desired results. So from here you can format the visuals, and from here you can uh, filter the top 10 by sum of revenue, as I have told you earlier. So from here we can see that the customer ID 14646 has done highest revenue, followed by 18102 to 260k, and these are the top 10 customer IDs. Let's move toward the fourth question. The CEO is looking to gain insights to the demand of their products. He wants to look at all countries and see which region have the highest demand for their product. So for that I have used Azure map. You can use normal map also, but I have used Azure map. In the location I have put the country, and in the size I have put the quantity. So from here you can see This is Japan. By hovering over it, you can find that how much quantity the particular country has. So this was my virtual internship by Tata. I would like to thanks for the opportunity, and for more such related videos, stay tuned with this channel.